Hey there everyone, welcome back to Ancient Wisdom, Money Matters. I'm so excited to have you here today. Taking about compost tea, it's a gardener's secret weapon. It's liquid gold for your garden, a true elixir of life. Imagine a refreshing drink packed with nutrients, just what your plants crave. It's like a superfood smoothie for them. That's compost tea, a brew made from, you guessed it, compost, rich, dark and full of life. This magic potion is teeming with beneficial bacteria and fungi, the unsung heroes of the soil. These microscopic helpers break down organic matter in your soil, making nutrients more available for your plants to slurp up. They work tirelessly to improve soil structure and fertility. The result? Healthier, stronger plants bursting with life. You'll see more blooms, more fruits, and more vibrant foliage. Compost tea isn't just about feeding your plants, though. It's about nurturing them. It's like giving them a boost of immunity, a natural defense system. The good microbes in the tea help fight off diseases and pests, keeping your plants healthy and strong. They create a balanced ecosystem in your garden, so put down the chemicals and embrace the natural goodness of compost tea. It's safer for you, your plants, and the environment. Your garden will thank you for it. Watch it thrive and flourish like never before. Now let's get brewing. It's time to make a nourishing treat for your plants. Don't worry, making compost tea is as easy as pie. With just a few simple steps, you'll have a powerful elixir for your garden. First, gather your ingredients: compost, of course, water, and something sugary to feed those beneficial bacteria. These ingredients are the foundation of your compost tea. Molasses or unsulfured blackstrap molasses work a treat. They provide the necessary sugars to fuel microbial activity. Next, grab a large bucket. A 5-gallon one will do. This will be your brewing vessel. Add your compost, aiming for a ratio of about 1 part compost to 5 parts water. This ensures a balanced mixture. Then stir in a tablespoon or 2 of molasses. This will kickstart the microbial growth. Give it a good stir to mix everything up. Make sure all the ingredients are well combined. Now for the fun part, aeration. This step is crucial for creating a thriving microbial environment. You need to keep those good microbes happy and thriving. Aeration helps them multiply and stay active. An aquarium air pump with an air stone works wonders. It provides the necessary oxygen for the microbes. Just like we need oxygen, so do those beneficial bacteria. Oxygen is essential for their survival and effectiveness. Let the brew bubble away for 24 to 48 hours and voila! The longer it brews, the more potent it becomes. Your compost tea is ready. Use it to give your plants a nutrient boost and watch them thrive. Time to give your plants a refreshing drink. Compost tea is a nutrient-rich solution that can boost plant health and growth. You can apply compost tea in 2 ways: soil drenching or foliar spraying. Each method has its own benefits and can be used depending on your plant's needs. Soil drenching is like giving your plants a long, cool drink. This method helps deliver nutrients directly to the roots, promoting strong and healthy growth. Simply pour the tea around the base of your plants, making sure to soak the root zone thoroughly. This ensures that the beneficial microbes reach the roots. Foliar spraying is like giving your plants a refreshing mist. This method allows the leaves to absorb nutrients directly, which can be especially helpful for quick nutrient uptake. Use a sprayer and apply the tea to the leaves, making sure to coat both the top and underside. This helps protect the plant from pests and diseases. The best time to apply compost tea is in the morning or evening when the sun is less intense. This prevents the tea from evaporating too quickly and ensures better absorption. Remember, compost tea is a living thing. It contains beneficial microbes that can greatly enhance soil health and plant vitality. Use it within a day or 2 of brewing for maximum benefit. Fresh compost tea is most effective when its microbial life is at its peak. And don't forget to give your brewing bucket a good clean after each use. This prevents any unwanted bacteria from contaminating your next batch. Sometimes things don't go quite to plan. If your compost tea starts to smell like rotten eggs, don't panic. It just means those good bacteria aren't getting enough oxygen. Give it a good stir or add another air stone to increase aeration. Another common mistake is using chlorinated water. Chlorine can kill those beneficial microbes we've worked so hard to cultivate. Let your water sit out overnight to allow the chlorine to evaporate, or use a water filter to remove it. Remember, brewing compost tea is all about experimentation. Don't be afraid to try different recipes and techniques until you find what works best for your garden. So, go on, get brewing, and watch your plants thrive. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.